Robinhood versus SoFi Invest, which broker is right for you? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the world of personal finance software with a head-to-head comparison of two popular platforms, which is Robinhood and SoFi Invest. And we'll be comparing Robinhood and SoFi Invest in terms of their features comparison, account types, investment options, educational resources, security and regulation, pros and cons. And at the end of the video, I'll help you choose which one is best for you. So make sure to watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And to create an account on Robinhood and SoFi Invest, you can also use my affiliate link in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Robinhood, it is a financial services company and brokerage platform that offer commission-free trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds, options, and cryptocurrencies through a user-friendly mobile app and desktop platform. While on the other hand, SoFi Invest is an investment platform offered by SoFi, which is a financial technology company. SoFi Invest allows users to trade stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies with no commission fees. It offers features such as fractional shares investing, automated investing through its robo-advisor service, and access to financial planning tools and educational resources. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Robinhood and SoFi Invest. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of both platforms. And as you can see in this table, in terms of investment options, Robinhood offers stocks, ETFs, options, cryptocurrency, while SoFi Invest offers stocks, ETFs, fractional shares, and cryptocurrency. And for account types, Robinhood offers individual, joint, IRA, and Roth IRA, which is same as on SoFi Invest. Now in terms of fractional shares, Robinhood does not offer fractional shares, but SoFi Invest offer fractional shares. And in terms of automated investing, Robinhood does not offer automated investing, while SoFi Invest offer automated investing. And for dividend reinvestment, Robinhood and SoFi Invest both offer dividend reinvestment. And for educational resources, Robinhood offer limited educational resources, while SoFi Invest only offer extensive educational resources. And aside from that, in terms of customer support, Robinhood offer email, in-app, chat, and phone, while SoFi Invest only offer email and through phone. And in terms of margin trading, both platforms offer margin trading. Now in terms of cash management, both platform Robinhood and SoFi Invest offer cash management. And for security, Robinhood and SoFi Invest both offer SIPC insurance up to $500,000. And in terms of desktop platform, Robinhood offer desktop platform, and also SoFi Invest also offer desktop platform with limited, which is only on web base. Now moving on, in terms of pricing and fees, as you can see on this table, in terms of account opening fee, both Robinhood and SoFi Invest offer free accounting opening fee. And in terms of commission fees, Robinhood offer $0 per stock ETF options and cryptocurrency trades, while SoFi Invest also offer $0 per stock ETF and cryptocurrency trades. And for margin interest rates, Robinhood varies depending on account balance and market conditions, while SoFi Invest varies depending on account balance and market conditions as well. And for wire transfer fees, Robinhood offer $25 per outgoing domestic wire transfer, while SoFi Invest offers $0 per incoming domestic wire transfers. Outgoing wire transfers fees vary by destination. And in terms of foreign transaction fees, Robinhood does not offer foreign transaction fees, same as on SoFi Invest. And now moving on, in terms of account types comparison, as you can see in here, in terms of individual, Robinhood allows individual to invest in their own with no joint ownership, while SoFi Invest offers individual accounts providing personal investment platform tailored to individual needs and goals. Now in terms of joint, Robinhood offers joint account holders have equal rights to manage and access the account, while SoFi Invest also provides joint accounts enabling multiple individuals to invest together and manage investments collaboratively. And in terms of traditional IRA, Robinhood enables individuals to save for retirement with pre-tax contributions, while SoFi Invest providing the tax advantage for retirement savings through pre-tax contributions. And aside from that, in terms of Roth IRA, Robinhood qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free, providing tax-free growth potential, while SoFi Invest allowing tax-free growth of investment for retirement savings with after-tax contributions. And in terms of SEP IRA, Robinhood contributions are tax-deductible and investment to grow tax-deferred until withdrawal, while SoFi Invest does not currently offer SEP IRA accounts. And in terms of trust, Robinhood trust accounts allow individuals to establish a legal entity to hold and manage investments for the benefit of designated beneficiaries, while SoFi Investment does not currently offer trust accounts. And now moving on in terms of investment options, as you can see on this table, in terms of stocks, Robinhood trades stocks of publicly listed companies of major exchanges. Robinhood offers commission-free trading for stocks, while SoFi Invest allows users to invest in stocks publicly traded companies, providing access to a wide range of stocks with commission-free trading. And for ETFs, Robinhood offers a selection of ETFs for users to invest in with commission-free trading, while SoFi Invest providing diversified exposure to different asset classes and investment strategies. And for options, Robinhood offers trading for advanced investors with commission-free trading for options contracts, while SoFi Invest does not currently support options trading on its platform. And aside from that, in terms of cryptocurrency, Robinhood offers commission-free trading for cryptocurrencies, allowing users to buy, sell, and hold digital assets, while SoFi Invest providing access to popular digital assets with commission-free trading. And for fractional shares, Robinhood allowing users to invest in high-price securities with smaller amounts of capital. Robinhood does not offer fractional shares, while in terms of SoFi Invest, allowing users to invest in stocks and ETFs with as little as $1, making investing more accessible and affordable. Now in terms of mutual funds, Robinhood does not currently offer mutual funds, but SoFi Invest offers mutual funds for users seeking diversified investment options managed by professional fund managers. And now in terms of educational resources, as you can see on this table, in terms of Learning Center, Robinhood provides articles and tutorials in investing basics, market analysis, and trading strategies, while SoFi Invest offers an extensive learning center with articles, videos, and courses covering various topics such as investing fundamentals, market trends, and financial planning. And for webinars, Robinhood occasionally hosts live webinars on investing topics featuring industry experts and professionals, while SoFi Invest conducts regular webinars on investing, personal finance, and market trends. And for investment guides, Robinhood offers guides and resources on specific investment topics such as stocks, trading, options trading, and cryptocurrency investing, while SoFi Invest provides comprehensive investment guides and resources to help users make informed investment decisions. And now moving on to security and regulation, as you can see on this table, in terms of SIPC insurance, Robinhood offers SIPC insurance coverage up to $500,000 for securities and cash held in brokerage accounts, while SoFi Invest provides SIPC insurance coverage up to $500,000 for securities and cash held in brokerage accounts. And in terms of account protection, Robinhood utilizes encryption and authentication protocols to safeguard users' accounts and personal information, while SoFi Invest implements robust security measures to protect users' accounts and sensitive data, including encryption and multi-factor authentication. Now in terms of regulatory oversight, Robinhood regulated by the Security Exchange Commission or SEC and Financial Industry Regulatory Authority or FINRA in the United States, while SoFi Invest regulated by SEC and FINRA, ensuring compliance with securities law and regulations governing investment activities. And now moving on to the pros and cons, starting to pros of Robinhood. It offers commission-free trading for stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. An intuitive mobile app with user-friendly interface with access to fractional shares and cryptocurrency trading. Offers cash management feature with Robinhood Cash Management. While the cons of using Robinhood is that it offers limited investment options compared to traditional brokers, with no retirement account options like IRAs. And it also has occasional service outages and technical issues. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using SoFi Invest, starting to its pros, it offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, with fractional shares investing for as little as $1, with robust educational resources and financial planning tools, with integration with other SoFi financial products like SoFi Money. But the cons of using SoFi Invest is that it offers limited investment options compared to traditional brokers, and no options trading available, with limited customer support options compared to larger brokerage firms. But the question is, who should choose Robinhood? While Robinhood is ideal for beginner investors looking for a user-friendly platform with commission-free trading, and active traders interested in options and cryptocurrency trading, and investors seeking access to fractional shares and stock slices, and for those individuals looking for a simple mobile-first investment experience, and for those users interested in cash management features like Robinhood Cash Management. But what about SoFi Invest? Who should choose SoFi Invest? Well, SoFi Invest is ideal for investors interested in commission-free trading with access to fractional shares, and individuals seeking educational resources and financial planning tools, and for long-term investors looking for a platform with integration to other financial products like SoFi Money, and those interested in cryptocurrency trading alongside traditional investment, and those users looking for a platform with focus on financial wellness and community engagement. And now, in conclusion, choosing between Robinhood and SoFi Invest ultimately depends on individual investment preferences and financial goals. Robinhood offers a user-friendly platform with commission-free trading ideal for beginners and active traders interested in options and cryptocurrency trading. On the other hand, SoFi Invest provides commission-free trading with access to fractional shares, coupled with robust educational resources and integration with other SoFi financial products, catering to long-term investors and those seeking comprehensive financial wellness tools. But ultimately, investors should consider their specific needs, investment strategies, and desired features when selecting the platform that best aligns with their objectives. So that is just a comparison review between Robinhood and SoFi Invest. Thank you.